The Accelerator Windshield Repair System produces clear repairs faster, and here's why. The adjustable bridge speeds correct placement of the assembly. The injector is stainless steel. It's easy to clean and will last for years. The vertical resin filling port provides easy access on bus and semi-windshields. The large diameter injector opening allows for easy alignment even on large pit damage repairs. White O-rings won't produce dark reflections like black or red ones. Our simple UV shield allows you to focus on the repair procedure, not hassling with a bulky plastic cover. A durable and dependable piston-operated suction base stays on the glass. The powerful vacuum and pressure pump, combined with an extra-long quick connect hose, provides for remote operation of the repair process. A durable fiberglass reinforced composite bridge. Rear stabilizers for curved surfaces. The best fast-wicking resins available, which produce clear repairs faster. The Accelerator Windshield Repair System can quickly and effectively return your windshield and your life back to normal. The Accelerator Windshield Repair System, engineered to produce clear repairs faster.